This is Big Bertha. She was under Clint's Jeep today, so I got her out and was going to keep her, but I read on the internet they only live 1/4 as long in captivity because it stresses them. Because the only reason I keep wild animals is because I'm trying to save them. But if she's not going to be happy, then, and she's going to be stressed, then I'm going to let her go. So I wanted to videotape her first because I love her already. It's easy to love animals and stuff. They're nice. People, not so much. Look at her. She's going to climb on the scale. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just kidding. There she goes. She likes to look at herself in the mirror. There she is. Look at her in the mirror. She likes to look at herself in the mirror. I think she thinks she's another turtle. And let's take a picture of her in the mirror so you can see the front of her. There she is. There she goes. For some reason she loves that corner. I don't know why. Okay, well there she is. Peace.